Now we are going to reassemble the unit after we have changed the receiver, motor, or put an LED in there. What we'll do is make sure that the light head, either halogen or LED, is in the rocker completely with the motor hooked to the gears, so that once you get that top housing off, it'll do its vertical movement correctly. Then we'll take our top housing, snap that into place. That. Take your two Phillips screws. Get those started. Okay, those are in place. If you got a permanent mount, you'll take your earpieces and you'll place those back on the covers. Portable unit, you'll have your handle, so you'll just place that back on. Snaps into place, and there you go.